He's not saying it too. He used to say, all that. Oh, what is that? Alright, is this the option where we can have Water Boy?
Hey, look at me. You can.
Yeah, you're working with us now.
Okay.
You're no longer Water Boy.
Pissed off recently, which happens to be every gang in Los Angeles. Now, if...
Okay, Mom. She's fucking bluffing.
I'll try to get you an opening.
Oh shit. Get your ass out of here. Bye bye. Fly like a bird. Become like a chicken. Oh no, don't fly like a bird.